with Gate Polymarket, users can actually participate in live prediction markets using Gate Exchange app. If you are new to Gate Exchange, all you need to do is to use the link which is below the description of this video to sign up. So after you must have signed up, make sure you download the latest version of the app. You will see it immediately you sign up. So as soon as you open the app, it will take you to the home page. This is the home page, and you come down here, you tap on Alpha. You can see it is now up here. This is Alpha. This is Polymarket. All this menu you are seeing down here belongs to Polymarket. To see it fully, you tap More. We are now inside Polymarket as a whole. But first, what is Polymarket? You see, when people are debating if Bitcoin will go up or down, or you are debating a certain thing will win or lose, Polymarket give you opportunity to choose a certain outcome. That is an outcome that is more likely to come true. So instead of debating and arguing about it, prediction become a live market inside Gate Exchange app. That is exactly what Polymarket is all about.